Hello everyone, I'm Ashlyn Rose from the Ashlyn Rose YouTube channel, obviously. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. I'm going to be doing a review on it, as well as telling you guys why it's taken me so long to make this video. Initially I was going to do a live stream and I was asked to do that almost 2 months ago. And there is a reason why it's taken so long, and I'm pretty excited to tell you guys about it. But first I'm going to start putting on the foundation, see how it looks, give you guys a little bit of a review, and I'm going to tell you guys the story while I'm applying it. So here is the box. It's a little black box, and we're going to open it up. It comes like this. The little box says Beauty Blender and it says Bounce, and I'm actually really excited to try this because I've been seeing a lot of people looking at it, but I have not looked at any reviews at all. I wanted to just take it all in myself and actually give you guys an honest review on what I think about it without any other opinions from reviews. So for anyone who's wondering, I did get the lightest foundation because, for obvious reasons, I'm a ghost. So this is in the color 2.10. It's big. It's big. Obviously it's not ideal for travel. So I saw from people online that you're actually supposed to push the button and it puts some foundation right here, so you don't even have to put it on your hand, which honestly is super smart for Beauty Blender and Beauty Blender users. So let's try that right now. I got a brand new Beauty Blender and it's already nice and wet. So as you guys can see, I do have some marks on my face. It's just acne now going away, but let's see how much that this covers it up. So I'm going to use this end of the Beauty Blender. Alright, and hopefully this is my color. It kind of looks darker than my skin tone. That's kind of worrying, but let's try it. Oh, okay. This looks like it might be my color. So while I'm applying this, let's talk a little bit. So why it took me so long to get this review out is because I ordered from Beauty Blender and I checked everything, made sure that all my information was correct, and they said that it was confirmed and that my package would be shipped as soon as possible. So I waited, and I'm a very patient person, so I waited a week, then 2 weeks, then 3 weeks, and it was about to be 4 weeks. So I was about to be waiting a month. And I got nothing in my email saying that it was shipped or anything, so I was just assuming that the package was shipped because it was confirmed on the website and the money was taken out of my account. So I figured we must all be good. So I finally called up Beauty Blender and I talked to a very lovely woman, and this is where it gets a little confusing. She pulled up my order and she said, okay, so you ordered it on this date. And she said a date that was completely off of the date that I bought it. So like, for example, if I ordered it September 3rd, she told me I ordered it like September 20th. It was completely off. And I said, no, I ordered it on this date. And she goes, oh yes, of course, you ordered it on this date. And she said an opposite date again. So if I told her I ordered it on the 3rd, she said, oh yes, I understand, you bought it on the 7th. Didn't make sense, and I said no, I ordered it on the 3rd. These aren't the actual dates, I don't remember the actual dates, but this is how far off she was. And I said no, I actually ordered it on this date, and she goes, oh yes, of course, I'm sorry. Like, again, I told you the dates twice, 2 to 3 times, and you still got it wrong. Anywho, we kept talking, and she goes, I see that your order was never confirmed. Which I responded to her saying, no, I have a screenshot saying that my order was confirmed. And in fact, the money was taken out of my account the next day. So she was like, wait, your order was confirmed, but it doesn't show that it's confirmed here. I was like, yeah, it was confirmed. It told me that it was confirmed. I gave you my email. You can see that I gave you my email. You never told me it was being sent. And I was like, where is my package? I've been waiting a month. And I need it as soon as possible because I have people waiting on me, and I was supposed to make a video a while ago, but because you guys took forever, I'm not able to make that video anymore. So she was completely apologetic and super sweet, again, like I said, and she said, "I'm so sorry, we're gonna get expedited shipping. You should receive it in 2 days." So she finally sent it, and I received the package finally after a full month. And I was asked a few weeks before that if I could do like a live stream. So to recap, the whole time I was told that my package was confirmed, that it was gonna be shipped. I was never told that it wasn't confirmed. I got a confirmation saying that it was confirmed, but apparently it wasn't on their end. So they were just gonna take my money and never send me the package, which is weird. However, their customer service was really good. I got someone extremely nice. We were over and done within like 10 minutes, figured out everything. Yeah, so that whole time I was waiting on a package, it apparently wasn't confirmed, which is like a bit shady that they never told me. Anywho, now after that long time, finally got this video up for you guys. So sorry it took forever. This is actually a really good foundation. It's covered up a lot. I'm still gonna need a little bit of concealer on this side. It's about medium to full coverage, and it's more of a matte finish, which is exactly what I need because I am more oily skin. And it went on pretty smooth, to be honest. The only thing I would say is that when you do pump the foundation, I don't know if you're supposed to do it up or to the side. I would assume to the side because the foundation's gonna go right here. So doing it like that would make it like fall. But because of that, it gets really dirty around the pump. I don't know how much you can see that. And like foundation gets stuck in there. That's one thing I don't know how well they could fix that, but if they can, that would definitely be an improvement so that you don't get dried foundation around your pump. I'm gonna apply a full face of makeup, and I'll get back to you guys on how the powders sit on top of the foundation and if it oxidizes anymore. So it's been about 40-45 minutes later, and the powders went on pretty good on top of the foundation. The foundation has not moved, it hasn't creased, it hasn't caused any problems so far, and it hasn't really oxidized that much, which is very surprising for me because usually foundations oxidize a lot. So I have not noticed too much of that, which is very, very helpful. And I'm actually very surprised that it's my shade. It's actually my shade. Every single foundation I've gotten usually is too dark on me, or it looks like it's my color and then it oxidizes to too dark. So this is actually very nice, and this foundation is very beautiful. It's a medium to high coverage, as I said earlier. I'm also going to show you guys, because this is all studio lighting, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in normal lighting. So this is what it looks like in natural lighting. As you can tell, it is still very beautiful, even in natural lighting without all the studio setup, and I like it. I think it looks good. I think it still looks very matte, very beautiful, and it still sits very well on the face, and it's a very comfortable foundation, so I don't really feel like I'm wearing a whole lot of product. So overall, my review on this was, if I had to give it a rating, it'd probably be like a 7 out of 10. It's not the best, but it is pretty good. The customer service was really good on its own, but the fact that it never notified me that there was a problem is definitely alarming, and it kind of worries me a little bit because I wonder how many other people have had this problem. Regardless, the foundation is still very beautiful. So that is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please do give us all a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and notification bell so that you never miss out when we upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!